Brad Wild from the Go Wild team at Remax. So the numbers are in for October, and this is what happened in the Guelph real estate market. We had 172 sales this month, so that's down 5% from the 182 that we had in October of last year. For active listings, there's 391 on the market, so that's up quite a bit, up 23% from what we had in last October. So we've got a fair bit more inventory on the market this year. Looking at the number of new listings to hit the market, there were 270 new listings that hit the market this month. So that's up 8% from the 249. And then looking at our average sale price, we had an average sale price for all housing types in Guelph this month of $490. So that's down 4% from the 510 that we had in October of 2017. It's also down 5% from what we had last month in September. So what we're seeing right now is we're seeing a higher volume of lower priced homes selling, so condos, townhouses, and then lower priced detached, and that is pulling down our averages. And that's normal for us to see as we start to approach the holiday season. Less families are out looking who are buying those larger homes, and it's more investors and first-time buyers that are out purchasing right now. So if we break this down and go into more detail, detached houses, they're flat from October of last year. Same with attached houses, so relatively flat. 435,000 this year, 436 last year, so not a big change at all. Now condo style apartments, they're up. So they had an average sale price of 347, so that's up 8% from the 320,000 that we had in 2017. So they're doing quite well. And again, it's just kind of has to do with who's purchasing at this time of year. Now looking at our average list to sale price ratio, 98.8%. So houses are selling still right now very close to asking. And 27% of the houses that sold this month went to multiple offers. So that's up quite a bit from 18% that we saw in September. And of the houses that are selling above asking right now, 85% of them are listed under that 600,000. Again, just showing how much more active that lower price point is in Guelph right now. So our months of inventory, overall in Guelph, we're sitting at 2.27 months of inventory. That's our supply and demand for the market. Anything less than 5 months is a seller's market. So we're still in a seller's market overall in Guelph. Now, when we break this down by price point, houses under 600,000, 2 months of inventory. So strong seller's market. Between 600 and $1 million, we've got just under 4 months of inventory. So we're very close to a balanced market, but we're still in a seller's market. We'll probably see that price point transition into a balanced market sometime in late November or going into December. And then the $1 million plus price point, 29 months of inventory on the market. So last month, we only had one house over $1 million sell. So it's showing right now that that is a fairly slow moving market in Guelph, and definitely we're in a buyer's market for that. Overall, when we look at how we did this October, the market wasn't as strong as it was in 2017. But there's a little bit of a caveat to that, because in October of 2017, they announced that they were going to be implementing the new stress test rules starting January 1st, 2018. So that caused a temporary spike in the market, and we saw an increase in both average sale price and the number of sales in the month of October, which then balanced out in November the following month. So it'll be interesting to see what our November over November numbers are for this year. I'm expecting we're going to see the number of sales continue to drop as we approach December, which is normal. It's a seasonal thing. If you're someone who's looking to buy, you're probably going to get a better price on a home in either November and December, as there's still some more motivated sellers out there, and there's less competition from buyers. From a seller's perspective, if you're selling an investment property or a condo or a townhouse, November and December are still good months to do that. You've got less competition from sellers, and you still have lots of first-time buyers and investors out looking. If you're thinking of selling a larger family home, you may want to wait until after the holidays, as you don't get as many families purchasing at this time. But now is an excellent time for you to have your realtor to come out and talk to you about pricing, timing the market, and what you can do to get your house ready so that you can sell it for the maximum price. That way, when the market does pick up in the beginning of 2019, you'll be ready to act and get your house on the market, and you can take full advantage of it. If you have any questions about the Guelph real estate market, please contact us at the Go Wild team, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks, and have an excellent day.